It's Megan's turn now. She made fun of me laughing because it tickled.
I can't do it.
Now she's bouncing.
Okay,
This
go
is
ahead.
almost as good as the leg thumping we did on the Tobin
But
Bridge.
it's not sticking.
The Megan,
can't really see
Megan
it.
hopping.
You can't see it on her neck.
Now she just looks like she has a green hickey. I mean,
That's the thing. It's not gonna come out. But I will do my best. It's gonna be red.
I don't even need to talk while this is happening because what's going on over there is so funny. It's so nice that Sunny and Cher, and now Amber. Say hi, Amber. Amber, where are you going? Amber, you wanted to show your belly. You wanted to show your belly, and now you don't even want to show your face. You've already been on the blog before. Your pictures.
What picture?
From the pre-party.
Oh.
When you were drinking. All right, her green hickey is done. Let's see it. It's pretty.